I'm Aiman, and welcome back to one of my product review videos. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this Ingnok portable monitor that I got during Prime Day for $70. And I got this portable monitor for my MacBook to use for schoolwork, because I like having multiple monitors. It's also for my research, but it's mainly for my schoolwork when I go back to Harvard. And it simply opens up very easily, just like that. And it opens up to this felt folder that's used to store all the equipment, or at minimum, the screen. What comes inside the box is a warranty card and an instruction manual, and then a screen cleaner, and then the actual monitor. So this is a ultra thin, slim monitor. It's about 1/4 of an inch thick at its thinnest. Of course, it's a bit thicker at the base, as you can see here. It actually has screws on the base for a mount. So there's a reason that it's actually thicker here. Of course, there's instructions on how to use it, but then you get straight just the monitor. If you're curious, it does not come with anything covering it. So I assume like they use this as a screen protector while it's shipping. But if you see any scratches on this monitor when you first open it, I wouldn't be surprised. Because this is the back. Pretty simple. They even label the ports. Actually, I'm not gonna lie, the packaging of this is pretty well thought out. I was a bit afraid of there being scratches, but this is actually a pretty good solution, now I think about it. But anyway, the cool thing about this monitor, and the reason I picked it among other similar priced monitors, there's one that's called YNN and one called MKK, is because this one has a stand rather than a flap that goes under it, like iPads do. So it also comes with a stand. Looks like this. And this one actually has pretty intuitive usage. This one also folds flat, but it doesn't go inside the felt folder, so you should put it in your laptop bag separate from it. And simply opens up, folds out, and then you can adjust the angle to fit whatever angle you want. And this is extremely versatile, and the reason that I got this and not the other monitors, because I can adjust the height of it. And, hold on. And if I imagine opening up my monitor and having a second monitor next to it, I want it to be the same height. I don't know, not everyone has the same idea, but I like the screens to be the same height whenever I'm working with them. It's a little bit of perfectionism. But the fact that it's able to adjust the height to pretty much any height and any angle makes it pretty versatile. And you can also rotate it, which makes it different than the other options out there, which have a iPad style flap, which only has 2 angles, and it's always on the ground. I'll show you what the monitor looks like in just a second, but I think this is another cool thing. I'll be honest, this does come with pretty much all the options on the market. They have accessories. So they have all the HDMI cables and the mini cables. So first off, you have a HDMI to mini HDMI. Then you have a USB-C. This is actually for power, I think. Yeah, this is for power. And then lastly, this is USB-C to USB-C. So it comes with all the cables included, so all the hardware. So it's plug and play. So I think that's pretty nice and thoughtful of them to include. And then this is just a padding. Okay, so let me close this up. I can show you the back, see what it looks like. This tells you all the instructions and stuff like that. It even has a headphone jack, more than I can say for some Apple devices. It has brightness menu, volume menu. Hey, it has volume, that's very cool. Some monitors don't even have that. Of course, it has the ports, has everything that comes with it. Yeah, so again, I chose this monitor and not the other monitors just because it has more features and it's more versatile. And now I'm finding that the packaging is great, and I'm not even sponsored by this company. I just think this is very cool. It even comes with a felt pad. So they definitely are going above and beyond with their packaging. This is only $70. So we're going to get this set up real quick. This is meant to be just a pretty chill video, because honestly I don't think a lot of people are going to watch this video. But I got it, and I just want to do a video just because we got it for Prime Day. And of course, we'll put a link to it in the description and comments below. And one thing I was curious about when I was looking for this is, how does this slot in? There's no slots, but there is this tab here that sort of centers it and also prevents it from sliding off the mount. Although there is the possibility of putting screws through the back of this, which I assume it can act as a VESA mount as well, or be mounted on a VESA mount on the smallest setting, which I don't think it comes with screws actually. They say it comes with screws, but I didn't see that anywhere. But without further ado, we're going to plug it into my. Oh, it does come with screws. Anyway, without further ado, we're going to turn it on and plug it into my Mac. And apparently, it can be powered through USB-C alone. So it doesn't need to be plugged into a power outlet, which is cool. I am not 100% sure if it can be powered through HDMI alone, which I don't think so. But let's see. Let's first try to turn it on. Oh wait, I realized that in order to actually turn it on, you'd have to connect it to power. So, put a power supply. Okay. And go back around to this side. And it instantly turns on. You can see my Mac screen's adapting to the same resolution as it has. So wow, it can be powered and display through HDMI. Now, can I do screen extension? Hold on. Display. Where's my toolbar? Come on. Okay. Display. And then we're going to use this stop mirroring, and we're going to use it as an extended display. So now I can use both of them as separate monitors. How cool is that? So again, go to your settings, go to display, and you'll be able to do that. Just stop using it as a mirror display. And let's see. One thing I want to try out is the brightness setting. Some people say this can go to about 90% of your max brightness. Let's see if that works. And even though this can be powered purely by USB-C, I assume that with monitors that only have an HDMI cable and USB-A to C, you probably do need an additional connection, which is why they have the USB-A to USB-C cable. But here's full brightness on the monitor compared to the full brightness on the Mac, and 90% seems pretty accurate. Yeah, I could see that. And I think the color is different too. I'm colorblind, but this looks a bit more bluer than this one. Interesting. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but one last thing I want to do is play a video, and you guys can hear how it sounds. But yeah, I just wanted to do this as a quick little video just to show off this monitor, maybe incentivize you to buy it. If you want to buy it, link will be in the comments. And let me pull up my YouTube channel. This is my medley.
So you think you know Wix?
Nope.
Do you really? First up, we've got another day. No chance. We got a card.
Boop. Okay. So there's the menu. How do I... Wait, how do I change the volume? There's a volume button here, but that's only for minus. Let me check real quick. Menu state, volume. Okay, so you actually have to go to the menu to turn up the volume. Interesting that they would do that. So we're gonna go down to here, go down, click it, go up. Yeah, so that's its max loudness. Yeah. So yeah, that's a bit of a demonstration of this display. It's not much, but I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like, and yeah, it looks cool, right? I'm definitely gonna get a lot of use out of this. Once I go back to Harvard in the fall, I'll bring this with me. And I mean, I already have a triple monitor set up for my desktop, so I'm pretty used to having multiple monitors and displays in general anyway. So I'm pretty happy with this purchase. I'll let you guys know if there are any issues come up with it. If issues come up with it, I'll definitely make a video on it. So stay tuned for that. And thanks for watching. I'm Aiman. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Like videos on EyeOnAiman, especially the video on my product reviews. And I'll see you then. But for now, I'm Aiman, and signing out.